If you're trying to find a missing Google Drive file or a file that's not visible anymore, this video will walk you through the fastest ways to track it down. Whether the file was moved, renamed, deleted, or just buried somewhere in your drive, there are a few simple places you should check first before assuming it's gone for good. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tips. Alright, let's start with the main place to begin. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign in to the Google account where the file should be stored. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the left side panel and click on My Drive. This is where your personal files and folders are usually stored, so it's always the first place to verify. Now, if the file is not showing up in My Drive, the next thing to check is the Activity panel. This is extremely useful because it can help you identify when a file was moved, renamed, or even deleted. To open it, click the info icon in the top right corner of Google Drive, then choose Activity. Once the panel opens, scroll through the recent activity and look for anything related to the missing file. You may see clues that tell you exactly what happened to it. If you want to see more detail, you can also use the option to hide or show details depending on what is displayed in the panel. Sometimes, the activity view gives you just enough information to reveal whether the file was moved to another folder, shared elsewhere, or removed entirely. Next, check the recent section. This is another quick way to find something that may not be easy to locate in folders. Click on Recent from the left-hand menu and Google Drive will show the files you opened or interacted with most recently. If the missing file was used recently, there's a good chance it will appear here even if you can't remember where it was stored. If the file still doesn't appear, your next stop should be Trash. Deleted files are often the reason something seems missing, and trash is where they go before being permanently removed. Click on Trash from the left menu and review the files inside. If you find the missing file there, you may be able to restore it right away, which will bring it back to your drive. If you're still not seeing the file, go back and double check Recent one more time, especially if you have a lot of files and folders in your account. Sometimes the file is still there, but it's simply not where you expected it to be. It may have been renamed, moved into another folder, or opened from a shared location. A helpful tip is to think about the last time you used the file. Ask yourself whether it was shared with you, uploaded recently, or created in a specific folder. That can help you decide whether to search in My Drive, Recent, or Trash first. If someone else had access to the file, it may also be located in a shared drive or a shared folder instead of your personal drive. So the basic process is simple. Go to Google Drive, click My Drive, open the activity panel from the info icon, check Recent, and then check Trash. Those few steps solve most missing file problems in just a few minutes, and that's it. You now know how to find missing or not visible Google Drive files using the built-in tools inside Drive. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Google Drive tutorials.